Hi, stamping friends. It's Marilyn here, Stamping Creations with Marilyn, coming to you today to let you know that we are getting ready for our number 6 stamping staycation. Good friends, Lillian, Joanne, and I are working hard to entertain you again, and we love what we're doing with this. So if you have been before, please put a comment below and let everybody know how great it was, because we all hear those from you, and we love hearing that from you. And if you haven't been here before, I'm here to tell you a little bit about what happens. We do a full day. Starts at, and all times are mountain time. Starts at 9 o'clock mountain time, goes until about 4:30. We also have a Friday night getting to know you session, which is a fun getting to know us and us getting to comment with you and getting to know you. Zoom to Facebook for that one. We do another Zoom to Facebook Saturday morning for a few minutes, just with some reminders, and then again for our final one Saturday afternoon. During the day, we do 6 Facebook Lives, which is 2 for each of us. We will have 3 recorded tip videos for you. We have a secret stamping session right after lunch, which you will get information the day before. On the Friday, you will get a list of what you need for that, and then Lillian will walk you through that on Saturday afternoon. And you will also get, at the end of it, we will send you PDFs for every project, as well as a link to a pre-recorded video showing how to make that product. And we've started doing that because of having some Facebook issues, internet issues along the way, and we wanted that as backup, and we wanted that kind of as clean and tidy for you so that you can always go back to it and watch. So just trying to answer a few questions for you. What day? Yes, it is on January 29th. So here we are just before Christmas, planning it and hoping that maybe Santa will bring it to you for Christmas. Wouldn't that be a great treat? Secret stamping pre-event challenges. That's the other thing we have. We will have 3 weeks leading up to it. Each of us will do a pre-event challenge, which you have a chance to take part in, and there is prizes that we will be randomly drawing for anyone who takes part. Once we are done with Facebook, it will be in the private group, which you will be asked to join when you pay your registration fee, and you will have access to that group. We will archive it about 2 weeks later, but you will still have access to go back to it if you do decide you want to do that and look at things there. Plus, we will take all of those pre-recorded videos that we've done and put them on our YouTube channels so that you can watch them forever, kind of thing, and go back and use what information we've given you there. The tip videos will also be there. So, having said that, please know that no matter if you're in Canada or wherever you are in the world, you can join us, because it is on live like that, or pre-recorded, as I said, and there are no products involved. We do not expect you to stamp with us. We expect you to sit and relax, come and go, just enjoy the day with us. We have a ball, and we'd love to have you join us. So, registration is now open. Please click on the button and register. The $52 covers everything that you will be getting, and we think it's a great deal for your dollar. So January 29th, 2022, hope to see you there. Bye now.